first tutorial of 2020. Who's excited? Woo! In this video, I will be showing my queens how to install a unit by using a fan. Yes, not a blow dryer, a fan that you plug into the wall. As you can see, I've already done the methods of the ball cap. Amazing, seamless. You can also purchase one in beige or brown on our website. I'll leave the links below. It's been more than 3 years now I've been practicing the ball cap method, and I must say, getting pretty good at this. Always make sure you secure the back so your cap isn't going anywhere. I did that with no mirror. Can you believe that? Shout out to Boat Hold. Keeping our unit super secure. Fan method. Woo! Senegalese, who's excited to see the end results? Amazing, seamless. I did this in about like 20 minutes, I must say. Do you see the after result? Also using our lace tint. Yes, we make sure to customize everything for our queens. You can also find our units on our website, and I'll leave that link below as well. Now, when it came to the final touch-ups of cutting the lace off, I didn't record that because my phone died. However, the end result is coming soon. How you like me now? How you like me? How you like me now? How you like me? Ooh. Is the final result. So I actually went outside so I could show you guys better in the sun what this amazing hairline is looking like. She's not even in the shower, but she's getting there. Get into this section. See how scalp evolution she's looking. Can't even believe that. Sitting up, we're here. We're posting photos on our Instagram. Versatility is key. So make sure to follow us. We have an amazing scenery that we want you to see. How to do
It's high sun on the beach.